Hello students, I am back with a new video. Today we will learn two lessons. Lesson 33, joining word and lesson 34, joining word because. Since both these lessons have the same topic of joining words, so we will cover these two lessons together. Okay, so let's start the video and learn how to use the word and because to join two sentences. So, here you can see there are two sentences. First sentence is Raman threw the ball and second sentence is his dog fetched it. Okay. So here you can see the second sentence is an addition to the first sentence. Okay. This both sentences have the same idea and the second sentence is an addition to the first sentence. Fine. And if we have to join these two sentences and make one sentence, how we will do it? Let's see. Raman threw the ball and his dog fetched it. So this is how we have made one sentence out of these two sentences. And how we have joined these two sentences? With a word, with a joining word and. Okay, we are reading about joining word and. So how we have to use the joining word and? In this way, we have to join two sentences with a joining word and. And when we will use this word and? When both sentences will have the same idea or the next sentence, the other sentence will be an addition to the first sentence. Okay, so here you can see second sentence is an addition. Raman threw the ball, his dog fetched it. So it is the second sentence is an addition to the first sentence. Fine. So therefore we use and to join these two sentences. Okay. Now one thing to take care is when you use and. Okay, first sentence is complete here. We used and. After and, here you can see when I am adding the second sentence, the first letter of that sentence. Here you can see. The first letter of the second sentence will be in small letter. Okay, because now we are making one sentence. Fine. So when we are making one sentence, the first letter of the word from the second sentence will be in small letter. Okay, because now this is not the beginning of the sentence. Fine. So it will be in small letter. His dog fetched it. The second sentence has been written here and there is a full stop. I hope you have got it. Let us take one more example. Two more sentences I am taking. First sentence is I opened my tiffin box. Okay. Second, I found a cake. So there are two sentences which have the similar ideas and which are addition. The second sentence is an addition to the first sentence. What is the sentence? I opened my tiffin box. I found a cake. So when I opened my tiffin box, I found a cake inside the tiffin box. So these two sentences have the same idea. So we will join these two sentences with the joining word and. Okay. So here we have joined it. Now how we have joined? I opened my tiffin box. I opened my tiffin box and I found a cake. Now here you can see the word I from the second sentence is written in capital letter. Right. Now you will be wondering why this has written the first word from the second sentence in capital letter when she has told that it has to be written in small letter earlier. Children, I have written this word, this pronoun I or the word I in capital letter because I is always written in capital letter. Okay, in a sentence, whatever the place would be of I, it will be in capital letter. So this is how we have to join two sentences using the joining word and. Okay, so you have learned how to join two sentences using the word and. One thing that you have to take care is when you are adding the second sentence, you are joining the second sentence with the word and. First Otherwise, it will be written in small letter. Fine. We will do some book exercises, some questions from the book exercises. Then you will get a better idea how to use the joining word and. Okay. And after that, we will learn, or we will read lesson 34. Okay, 34. Joining word because. Okay, so because is also a joining word which we use to join two sentences. So you have learned the joining word and, how to use the joining word and. Now we will learn how to use joining word because. But before that, we will do first the book exercises. Okay. Page number 61. Join each pair of sentences given below by using and. First is, the teacher gave Nina a book. Second sentence is, she read it. So here you can see these are two sentences. We have to use these two sentences by a joining word and. Okay, so here I have written, the teacher gave Nina a book and she read it. There will be a full stop at the end of the sentence. Here you can see I have used the joining word and she is written in small letter. Zoya cleaned the room. She made the bed. So the first sentence is Zoya cleaned the room. Second sentence is she made the bed. Now we will join these two sentences. Zoya cleaned the room and made the bed. So here you can see I have not used the pronoun she here, because she is the pronoun which is used for the noun Zoya. Fine. So if the subject is same in both the sentences, then I can skip that pronoun and I can continue the sentence. If you will write she here, then also the sentence will not be incorrect. Okay, then also the sentence will be correct. But to make it a short sentence, I have skipped that she. Okay, room and made the bed. Now, Anil asked a question. The teacher gave him an answer. We will join these two sentences. Anil asked a question and the teacher gave him an answer. Okay, so here both the subjects Anil and the teacher are different. So I have written both the words here. Okay, now here see question number 4. Varun went to the market. He bought some vegetables. Now see, he is the pronoun which is used for Varun. He and Varun are the same person. Okay, the subject is same. So therefore I have not written he here. I have continued the sentence. Varun went to the market and bought some vegetables. Okay, I can skip he. But if you are writing he, then also it is not an incorrect sentence. Okay, we can write in this way also, and we can write Varun went to the market and he bought some vegetables. Okay, both the sentences will be correct. Fine. Children, you will write in small font because the blank will not be sufficient enough to join the sentences. So you will write in smaller font so that the sentence gets adjusted. Okay. So you will get the PDF along with the video and you will note down all the sentences on page number 62. So children, earlier we learned how to use the joining word and. Fine. Now we will learn how to join two sentences using the word because. Fine. Because and both these words are joining words. Fine. Now here you can see two sentences. I love Sunday. It is a holiday. Okay. Can you find that the second sentence is an addition to this sentence? Can we join these two words with the word and? Let's join and see. I love Sunday and it is a holiday. Is this a meaningful sentence? No, because the second sentence is is not an addition to the first sentence. Okay, so how we will join these two sentences? We will join these two sentences with the word because. Why? Because the second sentence is giving reason for the first sentence. Okay, so when there is a reasoning, okay, the second sentence is giving any reason for the first sentence, then we use the word because to join those two sentences. After joining what the sentence has become, let's see. I love Sunday because it is a holiday. So why I love Sunday? Because it is a holiday, right? So here is the reason. So if there is a reason in the sentences, in the second sentence, so we will join those two sentences with the word because. And here you can see I is written in small letter because we have joined the second sentence. Okay. Now let's take the second example. She ate the bananas. She was hungry. So here the reason is given. She ate the bananas because she was hungry. So here we have joined the sentences, these two sentences, and then one sentence has been formed. And what is the sentence? She ate the bananas because she was hungry. Okay, so here also you can see it is in small letter. Okay, so here one sentence has been formed. So did you understand when we use because and when we use and? Because is used if the second sentence is giving any reason for the first sentence. Okay, like I love Sunday because it is a holiday. She ate the bananas because she was hungry. So the second sentence is giving a reason for the first sentence, right? And when we have to use and, we have to use and if the second sentence is an addition to the first sentence, or if the both sentences are giving a similar idea. Okay, so this is how we have to use these joining words and because. Fine. Now we will do the book exercise of lesson 34, page number 63, lesson joining word because. So what is the question? Complete each sentence, then add two sentences after it. So here one incomplete sentence has been given. First we have to complete that sentence, and then we have to add two more sentences after that sentence. Okay, so first one is I love to go to school because. Now there is a blank. Now we have to give reason why I love to go to school. I like to study. I love to go to school because I like to study. There can be many reasons to love to go to school, right? So I have written I like to study because I like to study. Now second sentence I have written I am the monitor of my class, and the third sentence is I go to school every day. Children, try to write in this way only. The first sentence in the first blank, the second sentence on the second blank, and the third sentence on the third blank. Second one, Zoya loves her pet cat because the cat is very cute. Okay, her cat has soft white fur. She takes her everywhere she goes. So these are the two sentences that I have added after this, after completing this incomplete sentence. Okay, so this is how you have to do this exercise. You will get the PDF along with the video, so you will note all these sentences on page number 63. So this is the end of the video, children. Take care of yourself and study well.